Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious sunny-side-up eggs using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 or 2 fresh eggs, a small pat of butter, and a pinch of salt and pepper. For the best results, select a non-stick pan, ideally about 8 to 10 inches in diameter. Make sure your pan is clean and completely dry before we start cooking. Now, let's get that pan ready. Place your non-stick pan over medium-low heat for approximately 2 minutes. This gentle heat is key to preventing the eggs from burning. Next, add about 1 tablespoon of butter or a teaspoon of your preferred cooking oil to the pan and let it melt completely. Once the butter is shimmering, carefully crack 1 or 2 fresh eggs directly into the warm, buttered pan. With the eggs in the pan, it's time to cook them gently. Allow the eggs to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. You'll know they are ready when the egg whites are completely set and opaque, but the beautiful yolks remain perfectly runny and bright yellow. For a slightly firmer top white without flipping, you can cover the pan for just 30 seconds towards the end of cooking. Your delicious sunny-side-up eggs are now ready. Using a thin spatula, carefully slide the perfectly cooked eggs from the pan directly onto your serving plate. Finish them off with a generous sprinkle of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. These beautiful eggs are best enjoyed immediately. Serve them alongside some crispy toast, a fresh avocado, or your favorite breakfast sides for a truly delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.